go, that looks good. Just want to cut it open for you so you can see. It's really important never to overcook duck because it just gets really dry. But that is super moist and delicious. Really, really good. Really good indeed. Look at that. Really, really nice and moist. Hi, how you doing? Had loads and loads and loads and loads of emails about this and messages. Roast duck. How do we roast a duck? Well, today we're going to do that, and we're going to do it in a very sort of basic, simple manner. And I'll be explaining a few other bits on the way. Let's go. Delicious. Okay, then let's get moving on this. So I've got my duck here. It's been cleaned up. I just, cut the end of the wings off. I've cut the parson's nose or the bum off just there. And it's got a nice bit of fat. All duck is quite fatty and it's kind of a dark meat, a bit stronger than chicken. Now, the first thing we do is we get the oven on. Get your oven on first before we get on with this. So 200C, which I think is about, was nearly 400 F, or gas mark 6 if you're using that. Get that preheated. We need that on the go. Now, you can see I've got a barbecue stick here. You're going to need something like this, or a toothpick or something like that. And we're just going to get in and we're going to pierce the skin maybe 100 times. We're just going to go all over there. So many holes in there. Simply what we're going to do is we're going to add some salt. Now, before I do that, when you see a Chinese restaurant duck, what they've done with it to get the skin really crispy is they pour boiling water over it, just over the skin, let it dry, pour the water, let it dry, pour the water. It's a huge process. If you wanted, you could just get some boiling water, like, boil a kettle and pour it over just the skin. You don't want it going inside or anything like that. And then let it dry, and then you can continue. Today, we're just going to do a basic duck. So, salt. Probably more salt than you think. We're going to get that on there. And we're just going to give that a little rub around. Put some pepper on it if you want, or some other herbs. I'm just, like I said, just going to go nice and easy today. And on the inside, if you want, get an onion in there, get some garlic in there, get some, an orange, Orange and duck goes really well. You can get that in there. Do you know what's really beautiful with this? Lavender. If you had fresh lavender and put that in there, that is great. If I had some, I'd put it in. So I'm just keeping it just really basic. So all we've done is pierce the skin, got our oven on at 200, preheated, got some salt on there. And like I say, if you wanted, get something inside there, whatever you like. Okay, bit of mathematics for us, and everything I'm about to say is going to be in the text below. Every 500 grams, which is about 1.1 pound or about a pound, you cook for 20 minutes. And then you add 20 minutes on top of that. This is a 2 kg or 4.4 roughly pound duck. So this is going to be 100 minutes. 2, 4, 6, 8 plus 20, 100. Simply, I'm going to get that into a baking tray. So I've got this in a roasting tin, and I've actually got it, it's not touching the bottom, just slightly. It wouldn't matter if it touches the bottom really, but a duck usually will give off quite a lot of fat. Now, you can flip it over if you want. Some people will flip it. And we're going to go for that 100 minutes because of this size. But what we're going to do is we're going to get it out of the oven about 20 or 30 minutes before it's ready, just to do one other process. Okay, so we've got about 20 or 30 minutes still to go. It's cooking really beautifully. Now, you don't have to do this. I just like to do it. I'm just going to get some garlic in there now. Now, you might be asking, why didn't I put it in at the beginning? And that is because I think when I've tried it before, putting it in when the bird is raw, the garlic's too much. It's too much flavour. But I found that if you just put it in now, it's all good. Just going to give it a little pepper in. And it's going to go back in for its final time. Now, like I say, you don't have to do this. It's just me being a bit fussy. Okay, back in. See you when it's done. Okay, and there you go. Now, I flipped it over for the last sort of 20 minutes. Just flipped it there, and then I flipped it back again. Absolutely delicious. What you need to do now is let that sit for about 10, 15, 20 minutes, let it do its thing. And the fat underneath, I mean, I'm not going to throw that away. I'm going to use that duck fat. It's absolutely delicious for using in lots of different stuff. Okay, see you in a moment. Okay, so there you go. You've got a nice, beautiful, basic, but beautiful roast duck. I hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee, help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.